Ready, set, go. Alright man, we've got to change this tune. It is running lean on the top end in boost, so we added about 5% of fuel in boost here. As you can see, the graph raised up. Now I'm not sure if these injectors are going to be able to hold that much fuel, because even with the exhaust I was looking at 82 to 85% duty cycle on the injectors, and adding 5% more fuel probably is going to take that close to 90, if not more. So these injectors are pretty much maxed out. The worst part is my neighbors are out. I gotta go to work. I gotta start this fucking thing. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Bully Kid here checking in, and we are in the turbo Honda Civic. If you guys already know, we have an open downpipe right now. On the last video we took off the exhaust. We're pretty much running an open downpipe, and it is absolutely crazy. I wasn't data logging when I had the open downpipe the first time, but I did log afterwards, and man, the tune is whack. The whole tune we had before, it is not good anymore. So right now, as you guys saw, I uploaded about 5% more fuel in boost and high RPMs because we were running lean up top. And I'm just gonna tell you in this video, guys, what I noticed from just taking off the exhaust, reducing back pressure in a turbocharged vehicle. What things I noticed, the pros, the cons, and I'll tell you guys if I'm going back to an exhaust or if I'm gonna run it open downpipe. So stick around. Alright guys, well I'll tell you what, without the exhaust, absolutely phenomenal. Reckless, and that's a cop. Let's be nice. It's crazy driving around the city with the car so loud. Honestly, I'm surprised I haven't gotten pulled over and ticketed 3 times. Again, driving around this car, the euphoria definitely makes it seem a lot faster just by the noise itself. Initially, like I told you guys, I feel like I had more torque, more instant spool up when I had the full exhaust for the most part. But now that we're looking at Honda and we're looking at the data logs, which I'll try to overlay during this video, we noticed a big difference. With the exhaust, you know, we had a back pressure restriction and we were running roughly around 7 pounds of boost, plus or minus 0.5, but roughly peaking around 7 pounds of boost. Now I took it out for a spin, and the first thing I see, I'm hitting boost cut. My boost cut is at 8 pounds of boost, so you could tell right away we're creating much more boost from the same setup just because we got rid of the restriction. So that's a fun fact too, because a less restrictive downpipe means you have a more efficient free-flowing exhaust. You're not slowing down the turbine blades with back pressure. So again, if you're looking for maximum power, get rid of all your restrictions, your back pressure, run it open downpipe. I did notice again, because of the extra boost pressure, the car felt, for the most part, a lot more linear and pulled up top a lot better, because that turbo wasn't losing boost pressure towards redline, which normally it does lose about half a pound of boost or so at redline. But not in this case, it pulls all the way to the top. Now, looking at the tune, the first thing I noticed, this shit, it was running lean. Now it's running rich, so we got a good amount of fuel in there now. But this thing was running really lean up top, man. I was running probably 12.5 air-fuel ratio when the target air-fuel ratios before the exhaust was removed was 11.5, and I was hitting that. So obviously we don't want the car to be running lean, because lean blows motors. So luckily we put a little bit more fuel in right now. It seems to be liking it. It's actually running really rich now, but I'll take it right now. So again, it's running leaner at the top end because it's making more boost pressure. It's pushing in more air, while we never gave it more fuel to get that proper air-fuel ratio. Anywhere from 11.5 to 11.8 is ideal. We're tuning on the factory we're tuning here on the factory oxygen sensor, which some people can say it's not accurate, which probably isn't that accurate, but with a budget build, we're not going to be running a wideband and installing that. So, plus, I believe the wideband sensors with Honda on this application, you can't really integrate it into Honda, or if you can, it's a pain in the ass. So I'm comfortable tuning based off of the factory O2 sensor. Whew. So in conclusion, what can we take away from this video? Modifying your exhaust and the back pressure is going to change your tune. A simple exhaust modification will throw off your tune by 5 to 10% easy. Also, installing a bigger free-flowing downpipe or exhaust system on your vehicle that's turbocharged will create higher boost pressure by a little bit, again, which throws off your tune. So again, all these modifications you have to watch out for. You have to be considerate and keep an eye on the tune. That's why it's very important to learn self-tuning, because if you're waiting for a tuner, you're driving around beating the shit out of the car, there's always a chance it might blow. Anyway, we're merging on the highway here, so I think I'm gonna wrap up this video with everything I wanted to say. Those are the things I noticed. Crazy car, but in conclusion, I can't drive it like this. It's just way too loud, not practical. We're gonna be installing this exhaust back on within the next 2 days or 3 days. We're just gonna keep it open, open muffler, like we had muffler delete. Until then, guys, Stay tuned for the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.